It's our good morning, peeps. So I'm back with another video. So it's now 8:42, you know, Wednesday on March, So remember I told you guys what I did and what I was waiting on. I wanted to see after getting my almost 180 odd pip drop. I was waiting for a next move, actually draw the overall by the way, this is goal once again, you know. And these people still want me to actually buy their full version. I don't need that shit, so not wasting any money. But let's go back out on the daily time frame on what I found. I found that there was an upward trend right here, so there's a possibility that price might buy half this trend. It's also there's a zone, you know. So I was expecting a move to the upward side right here, but I wanted to see what price is gonna do before I jump in. I actually identified this area as a zone. I drew that zone. So what happened? Price treated just like a zone. We break out of that zone, actually break the trend line. But remember what I told you guys before I go into a trade, I always want to see price break my trend and break a zone, and that exactly what happened, So what we're gonna do, we're gonna see how much we can actually maximize opportunity for a buy. Man, I just got up, was beat last night. If I was actually up, but I actually try to be in this trade already because we actually have a small zone here. We'd actually go in a small time frame and actually see how we can actually get in from around here, we price break here, break above. This was like a nice small, if you want a 5 minute time frame, it would actually be a bit clearer, We gold, I don't ramp, I'm in a ramp is when it comes to gold because I use my 5 minute time frame. It's a really powerful pair. Price actually move really quick. So this 5 minute time frame, we have a resistance which then become a support of actually try to get into the market right here, stop loss below right here, you know. But let's see what happened now, So we have price break complete above. Price break gave you a solid candle, so um above the zone. Didn't close here. We're just gonna wait and see what happened. We're expecting. Let me adjust right here now. So based on what happened, if this actually finished up here, I'm expecting price to push back down into this level. Let's draw my trend line right here, my upward trend right here. I like to draw that just to give me an idea of what's happening. So let's see if we can actually get a buy off this. As I said, oh yeah, we get a close. I don't like this close. However, it's still a close. Let's go down in a 5 minute time frame to see how we can get in here. Okay, so based on the 5 minute time frame, if what's going on here? Okay, if the next buy candle I see, the next buy candle, my entry is gonna be at that buy candle. My stop loss is gonna be below this level right here. So it's gonna happen. We can actually have a few more sells coming down, but I'm waiting for the next buy candle because I actually missed the entry. So price is doing this. You can have sells, sells, sells. Then once I get that one buy candle, I can go in, because I'm not going to be risking a lot. Ooh, price is after it. So I want to see that one buy candle first. I just don't want to jump in like that. Let's wait on that one buy candle. Price don't play. Or what we can also do is just go down. Shoot, I don't have that. What I can do is actually go down the 1 minute time frame like that. This is nice. See, this is a really nice support. You see your price rejecting from this level. That's why I had my stop loss, or consider put my stop loss below, because this become a really nice support level. Price rejecting massively, but I want to see that. I still want to see that one buy candle, right? Before I jump in, I'm just gonna wait. I'm not gonna look at any other pairs. Just wait on my entry right here. First, I'm looking for possibly um around 80 to a 90 pip move based on what where the buy candle pushed to, you know. I'm sorry. First, my first TP is always 20 pip, you know. But then, as in my first move based on structure and trend, I'm actually gonna aim for 80 to 90 pip, you know. And then my third entry is actually gonna aim for the overall downward trend. You know, yeah, we haven't in that buy candle being formed. Let's wait, peeps. Let's wait. Want to see what happened first, you know. That's why. I'm gonna be risking a lot here, but let's see. We have 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. Felt like I should have just bought it from it pushed down, but I said I like to see a reason. You know, I like to see my reason being played out. Like my reason for buying is that price is changing direction. It's gonna give you that one buy candle. Then you can actually buy from that candle and put stop loss below. You know, and the reason why I said 80 to 80 pip, even though I was seeing like a 90 pip moves, because I don't know where this candle will actually end. You know. Let's see, I'm even getting 60 pip. You know, let's see what's going on. I don't like this risk to reward, but gold is giving me that buy move. I'm gonna take it. You know, you can't always get 100 pip. You know. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I'm in. You know, I'm in this trade right now. I'm in this trade. Still going up nicely. I like the momentum. Like the momentum, peeps. You know, 5 minute time frame. I said my first TP is 20 pip. Let's see my 20 pip drop. My 20 pip is right about. Come on, don't mess with me. No, shoot, shoot. It didn't hit my 20 pip, by the way. You know, it's just yeah. It's gonna hit my 20 pip really quick. You know, price always want to give you that 20 pip move before it fails. You know, so let's go on a 15 minute time frame. That's my first 20 pip move. You know, let's just put a line there and just leave it at that. First target. Next target is 60 pip. And let's even modify this. Let it look a bit fancy, you know. Let's make our shit look fancy. All right. Boom. Boom. Let's go green, you know. Eco-friendly. Boom. My first target is hit. This is how easy it is, guys. As easy as you want it to be, you know. We're gonna clone this and we're gonna put this as my second target, which is right here. Then I'm gonna push this all the way up here. Oh shit, I didn't set my second target. Let me set my second target. Okay, boom. Let's just wait and see here. Like there is other ways to actually get in a bit earlier, but I wanted to see the market react to what I want, before I jump in like that, After my second target hit, I know it's a safe trade. I can just leave it and go about my way, even if price come back and hit my stop loss, it's a safe trade. By that point I'm gonna break even anyway. So yeah. So now we're just waiting, guys. These small moves on gold. So I'm down. I'm up 20 pip, waiting for my next 60 pip to get hit. I'll be up 80 pip in profit. That's a quick $80 in the morning. That this is a beauty with gold too. Gold. I wonder your news. This is the beauty of gold. This is the beauty of gold. Let's go on 1 minute time. The 5 minute time frame to see how this. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. This is how you know when the analysis is on point. We got a break in our trend. We got a break in our structure. Whenever this happen, price tend to take off. Breaking only the trend, it can fail. Our price move really slow, then give you a new structure on the direction where price is gonna go. Then it break out, or um breaking only a structure, it tend to form a new trend, and then at the point where the structure is broken, at the same point where the new trend is formed, it tend to actually break out from there, if you get what I'm saying. So I like to see both of these take place. Price break a trend, then create a structure where it actually break, and then price actually take off from that area. Um to be honest, I don't remember what this set particular setup is called, you know But that's not important right now. What's important is our TP is gonna get hit in the morning. Just I got up a few minutes ago. My alert was all over the place. I can't believe I slept like a rock. So I missed out a lot. But I just want to see my second TP get hit. You know, I'm feeling that this zone is a bit tighter based on you see what's happening here. Like I think my zone is too thick, but I'm not gonna adjust anything. Let's just work with what was there before. We're going there, we're pushing. Just 1 minute time frame. Okay, there's a break even this finish like this with an option to break even. We have a safe haven. We have like a lower high being formed on the 1 minute time frame. Sorry, a higher low, a higher high being formed, so we can actually break even. So after my second TP get hit, I'm gonna break even. And it's gonna get hit, guys, right in front of you guys, to see like this shit works. This shit works. Chosen FX all the way, guys. This shit works. As simple as you want it to be. Don't look at the past. I'm not using all of these. I just want to let you guys show that I'm actually trailing gold. That's all I'm doing. I'm just trailing gold. You know, I just draw a line and I identify a zone, and that's it. And whatever you do yesterday can affect today. So it's a nice state, leave them. It's too crowded, you can erase everything and start over again. And whatever you're gonna draw now is gonna realize the same thing that you had yesterday. So yeah, kind of slowing down right now. I don't like this, but I know my TP is gonna get hit. I'm not gonna get stupid and close it out. I know there's a strong possibility that my third TP won't get hit based on this zone right here. A lot of shit can take place in this zone. I feel like this is gonna consolidate and then drop, retest this level. Because as I said, um, if you watch all my videos, I always tell you guys that price tend to retest after breaking a trend on all zone, on all time frame. You know, So let's see what happened here. We still didn't get a real nice retest here, so we can get a retest on the 15-minute time frame, so we can get in again if we like, you know. We can get in again if we like, but that is a bit risky. We might just continue going down. So based on what we've seen, you know, we can actually just watch it. If we price drops slowly, we can actually see what can go down, you know. But we got a really nice break here. And price is selfish here. Look at that, man. Price come to a halt here. Price is coming to a complete stop. Okay, oh shit. Man, look at this. Like, don't do this. Don't do that. Yeah, that this is what we want to see in the morning, you know? This is what I actually get up for, you know? Is all right. I'm gonna do. I'm gonna step away from the chart for a while. You know, I don't want to close my trade out. And if you watch this shit, guys, you're gonna close it out. You know, and you know you're not gonna make as much as you want. I'm gonna step away, and I'll give you guys an update after my TP gets hit. What happened? What's my plan next? What I'm waiting to see. You know, it's as simple as how you want it to be. You know. So until then, guys, stay tuned. So, guys, I keep telling you about my levels. When I draw my levels make sense. You know. You know. It's alright. So basically, I'm up 80 pip right now. You know, so I'm gonna actually move to break even right now. You know, need to go to break even. You can't allow the market to take back the trader. You know, the cheddar. You know, so let's use a different. Let's duplicate or clone this guy right here. My break even is always in profit. You know, see we have our nice rejection. You know, we have our higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. So it makes sense to put your stop loss under here. Let's change this guy to a red. You know, safe trade. It's as easy as you let it. You know, it's as easy as you let it. So overall target is right here. There's a possibility it might push from right under here because this was like a supply area. Actually, this was supply. This is where price actually changed direction. But this is also supply area where price actually continue going down. You see, boom, push up, tank down, you know. So price might actually just retest this level then drop or this level. So I'm just gonna watch and see, you know. Man, this gave me a heart attack, you see. Yeah, but you know, it is what it is, you know. So still I'm actually playing out really nicely in my favor, you know. So we're no longer risking what's going on right here. We're no longer risking this. There's no longer any risk. We can do that. There's no more risk, you know? No more risk. We're only in profits, you know? We're only in profits, guys. So let's zoom out. Let's go on another time frame to see what can actually prevent us from getting our overheating our overall target, you know? We actually identify this trend, which is actually a trend, you know? So our downward trend on an upward trend is actually going to retest the peak right here, you know? So we're actually going to get a nice push to the lower side before we actually get a continuation in buy because um, the reason why I said continuation in buy is because I can't believe I didn't have this trend line or a daily time frame. Price actually retesting our swap zone and retesting our trend line, so we might get another push back up to this trend, then a drop, you know, because gold's gonna drop again, you know, before anything else happen. possibly even to this level here, but that's for another day, you know. Let's see what can actually turn back price from actually hitting our TP. So boom, so this is one level. Price is at major level right here. There's also another level right here. Right, if you look at right here, you know, I won't be greedy, guys. I'm actually seeing reasons, you know. Let's see if I can adjust this or do something else about this. I know my chart is a bit messy, you know, but once you're following your own charts, guys, or following my videos, you'll actually see what I'm doing, you know. Don't pay attention to what's going on over here, you know. What's important is where price is at. I see my TP, I'm getting some rejection. So even if price decide to actually retest, I'm actually up 80 pip already. You know, I can just look for another entry, and I can actually risk that profit that I made from that 80 pip, you know, on my next entry. So I'm just gonna adjust this, guys. I'm not gonna fight structure, you know. Don't fight structure, guys. So I'm actually adjusting this down to exactly 100 pip, 101 pip, you know. Yeah. Man, imagine all of these moves. All these entries I'm looking for on the 5 minute time frame. Imagine 5 minute time frame goal. I'm looking for my 100 and something pip. You know, this is crazy. Like, that's what I like trading gold. You know, gold moves and it's easy to catch. It's really easy to catch, guys. So I'm not gonna try to get what the market is not giving. You know, so 200 pip is enough if it this PTP get hit. You know. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna step away from the market once again. Whatever happened, I'm still gonna win, you know. Sorry, I mean 180 pip if this TP get hit, you know. So gonna step away. Jano, bro, not the rough, yes. At the grade still, bro. You see me? It's hard to beat over the grade, bro. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, bro, for real. Nah, give up in a bro. You see me? If you work on the grid, bro. Trade them work out, and when them do fail, bro, we see opportunity when we can actually go in again. You see me? Or for the opposite direction, but because I agree to take way out and everything gone, I can't go again, you see me, bro? Yeah, man. Now give up in a bro, you see me? We can't give up on this in, you see? It's alright, peeps. So coming back with you live, you know? All TP got destroyed. I'm out, you know? I'm actually not gonna do anything much regarding gold. We're gonna see how gold's gonna play around this trend line. You know, let's just leave our previous oh shit. I'm just gonna leave my previous setup right here. You know, boom, right there. You know, it's like times that is I feel a bit disappointed. You know, like I could have actually go in the trade a bit bigger. But here's the thing, guys. Like I tend to look at my risk before I look at my reward. You know, my risk was actually 50 something pip. I didn't want to actually go into big a lot. You know, so it is what it is. I made $180 in the morning. You know, just like that. 180 something dollar. You know, just like in the morning. You know, and I started around, I believe it was 8 something, right? Almost 9, and now it's like 10 a.m., you know, less than 2 hours. So, yeah, really nice. So, I'm out. We're going to see how price is actually going to play around these two levels right here. There's a possibility it's going to drop, but before it drops, we want to see what we want to see. We want to see a trend being broken and a zone being broken. For now, we just see that massive move right now. Not seeing a trend. I'm not going to use the 1 minute time frame. I want to see something on the 15 or 5 minute time frame being created and broken. You know, this is what I was actually expecting before, guys. Right? It actually didn't happen exactly how, because we only get retested this level. So this is what I'm still actually waiting on. You know, let's just wait and see. You know, and it was a really nice trading morning, guys. You know, like our strategies on point. You know, I could have actually held the entire move, but you know, it is what it is. It's all about the analysis. I'm just delete these. I don't really need these anymore. So until my next video, guys, like leave your comments. Let me know what you guys think about the strategy. If you want to be a part of this, you know, and stay tuned.